Traction control back on. I'm feeling better about that in a straight line. And we'll let him take the pass. Enjoy it. Primary source electric. Okay. Please keep the power on. So I thought about it being a hot shot and taking the really hilly, nasty route home. Not tonight. Not tonight. It's too much, man. This is really bad. I think the move here is to take the exit, not my ideal exit, but it's on a downhill. I don't want to get stuck on an uphill exit where these trucks are going. That will let me wind my way home in a pretty safe way. The ominous cemetery as we roll past in blizzard conditions. Always nice.